Hello everyone. In this video we will be discussing how to create a request for quotation, how to create a purchase order, and how to perform goods receipt. So let's start. In the Odoo main module we are here in the discuss. We'll press here and select the purchase module. In this you can see the interface. We'll go on products to check how many products are there. It's a long list complete with their internal reference numbers, names, their sales price, cost price, and quantity on hand, and forecasted quantity. Tell us the whole inventory. Now here we'll decide that for which product we need to make our request for quotation. Let's say I'm selecting storage box. Now we can check the inventories. The storage box inventories quantity on hand is 18 and forecasted quantity is also 18. The cost price is $14 and the sales price is 15.80. Now go back onto the purchase main module and click on new under the heading of request for quotation. This is how we will going to create a request for quotation from here. We are going to select a vendor. For vendor we can choose any. You can go on search more and choose any vendor you want. Let's say I am picking ready-made. Now I will go and click on the product field. The product field will going to tell you the long list. We're going to click on search more to have a complete list, and from there we can choose any product we want. Let's say I want to make the order request for quotation for storage boxes. The unit price for storage boxes is 14.40. So I am writing the quantity not for one but for two. Here you can see the subtotal amount is automatically updated as per the quantity. Now I will going to, you can see one thing here. You should notice that here the bar is colored on RFQ, that is request for quotation. Now I want to click on send by email because I'm sending my quotation via mail. This will going to bring and compose an email for the quotation. Here is the quotation number P00010. I will click on send. As soon as I've clicked on send, you can notice that it is shifted from RFQ to RFQ sent. Before confirming the order, I would like you to check the inventory, and how we're going to do the same way. We'll go on click on product and product variant. Here I can see in the storage boxes that the inventory is the same. Why? Because till yet the purchase order has not been made. It's not yet confirmed. So both the inventories are the same, 18 and 18. Now go back onto the purchases. This is the one RFQ sent which we have made. Now I will going to click on confirm order. As soon as I have clicked on the confirmed order, you can see the status change for RFQ sent to purchase order. Now we will go back to check the inventory. Products variants, storage boxes. Here you can see that before making the purchase order there was 18 the forecasted quantity, but now it is updated to $20, 20 units. Now go back on purchases. This is the purchase order we have made of $28.8. You can see on the right hand top side there is a truck made written with one receipt. I'll click on it to perform the goods receipt. As soon as I click on validate, it will going to confirm the receipt. But I want to explore one more way. You can go and click on inventory. Here you can see the receipts, 5 to process. You can click on that. This is the one we have just created, ready-made, 3 days, and this is the same number P00010. I can click on that. The same way you can see there is a validate button. you can check the quantity, the product, that is the storage boxes, the quantity, both the things are written here. And this is the source document number P0010 which we have just created. Now we'll click on validate and click on apply. Now it's from ready to it's shifted to done. You can also go and check in the purchases module, this purchase order, the goods receipt is done. We'll go back to check the inventory. Here you can see the storage boxes. Before that they were 18 in quantity on hands, but as soon as we have confirmed the goods receipt, it's shifted and updated to 20. Okay, now we'll go and perform how to create a bill. We'll go back to the main purchase order, and here is on the left top side it's written create bill. We'll click on this. You can see a draft bill over here. The vendor number, the product number, the product name. This is the label P0010 with the storage boxes. The quantity is 2, the price is 14.40, subtotal is 28.80. Everything is correct. Okay, so now here it's draft. As soon as we're going to click confirm. Okay, it's asking for a date to validate the document, so we can add any future date here in the bill date. Let's say I add 5th December. Now I add click confirm. Now from draft it's shifted to posted, as you can see. In order to make the payment, the bill is created. In order to make the payment, I have two options. Either I'm going to click on register payment, or there's one more thing you can explore in the invoicing module. Here in the invoicing module, you can click, you can see your order. Here in the invoicing module, you can click on vendor and click on bills. This is the one which is we have just created. The vendor name is ReadyMat, the product is storage boxes, and the label P0010 with the same quantity. Now I'll click on register payment, and now you can check that we want to make it either by bank or by cash. The amount is same, the payment date is today's date. This is the memo number. Okay, let's create payment. As soon as I click on create payment, it's written, it's showed that it is paid. So this is how we can create request for quotation, number 1, purchase order, number 2, and number 3 is how to perform goods receipt along with creation of bills. Thank you.